In this video, I am going to show how to download and install Java JDK and set the path of Java JDK. Without wasting time, open your Chrome browser and type Java SC download. You will get the first link and click on this. There are many Java JDKs are available. On the top, you can see Java Platform Standard Edition. Here is the Java JDK download. Click on this. Here new window will open. There are many Java JDKs are available. My PC is 64-bit. Then I am going to install 64 installer. Click on this. Here is the terms and condition of the Java JDK. I received and accept the Oracle Technology Network license agreement for the Oracle Java SC. I will accept the terms and condition. Click on this and click here and save your file. But you can see here I have already downloaded the Java JDK file. Here it is. No need to download again. Cut it simply. Also close your Chrome browser and I'm going to disconnect my PC from the internet. Now go to this PC and go to the download and click on the Java JDK file. Now installation process is started. It will take few minutes. Click next and next. We have to wait for a minute. And close the file. We have installed our Java JDK. Now we have to check path of the Java JDK is set or not. Go to the CMD. You can search from search box. Type here Java C. This is a primary compiler of the Java JDK. Now you can see the compiler of the Java JDK. And if you want to check in a different way, then close it and again open CMD and write Java -version. This show the Java versions 14.0.1. If you are not getting messages like this, or if it is showing Java is not recognized as internal or external storage, it means your Java JDK's path is not set. Then we have to set the path of Java JDK. Go to your control panel and change its category. Go to the system and security and go to the system and on the left you can see advanced system setting and here you can see environment variable. Here you will get the path. Click on this and now open your file explorer. Go to your C drive and go to your program file and go to Java JDK bin, and here you have to copy this path. Control C, close the window. Now go to edit, new, and paste here. But you can see here I have already set the path. No need to paste again. Click OK. OK. And also from here OK. Now close the window. Now refresh your page. Open your notepad and start writing your program. In C and C++, we write header h include stdio.h. Same here we have to write the package import java.language dot asterisk semicolon. In the next line we have to write the public. If your program will public, then you can also call from the outside through the JVM class hello world. By the class name you have to save your program. And next line we have to write the main method public static void main. In bracket we have to write the command line argument string argument bracket. Next line we have to write the print statement system as always should be capital dot out dot print ln bracket in double quote write hello world. Semicolon. Now open your this PC. In this PC go to C drive and control shift plus N. This will create a new folder here, and name I will just keep the name work. Now save your file and search your work folder. Go to C and here is a work folder. Click on it. You have to save your program using the class name. Your class name is hello world. Also write here hello world dot java. Now open the command prompt. Write here cd slash this come in the C drive. If you have save your program in D drive, then write the D colon. If E, then E colon. Now my program is in C drive. I will write here C colon. Let's check that where is my Java file. Go to this PC in C drive. In C drive there is a work folder. Here it is work. You can see here our Java file in this PC C drive in work folder. Cut it. Now we have to set the path of the work folder. Right here cd work, enter. We came in the work folder. Now compile your program using Java C hello world. For the compilation your program you have to write the Java C hello world dot java, enter. Here you can see the compilation of the program is successful. Now we have to run our program. In the next line write Java hello world. Enter. Now you can see hello world is printed on the output screen. If the video was helpful, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it also. Thanks for the watching.